This is Delhi. Please stand by for our next program. This is All India Radio. Welcome Tomorrow. All India Radio, in collaboration with Vigyan Prasar, presents the science serial Welcome Tomorrow, based on myriad facets of artificial intelligence. Time now to listen to the 9th episode entitled Natural Language Processing.
Oh, Shivani, be relaxed. Our daughter is not an illiterate girl. She's an ITN. And of course, a gold medalist of her batch.
That is fine. But problems don't come with a prior warning, you know. The boy, our damad, our son-in-law is a Kannadiga. You know, there's a huge cultural gap. And I'm worried.
Shivani, you forget our marriage? I'm from North and you are a Mumbaiker. We have a 40 years of happy married life.
I know.
Am I second to any Maharashtrian? Relax. Be relaxed. We can discuss all these in the morning. Okay? Good night. Good night to you.
Good night.
Good morning, Mummy. Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, Papa.
Good morning, beta.
Very good morning, Bete.
Anushka.
Yes, Papa.
It is a tea time, beta.
Papa, let me prepare the tea of your choice. After my job in Bangalore, you might have missed the ginger flavored tea. Hello, everybody. The tea is ready. Enjoy it with the snacks.
Dr. Kumar, come on, let's take the responsibility to serve the tea, huh?
Why not? Sure. This is lifetime opportunity to serve our dearest ones, huh?
Dad, this is all your love and affection.
Wow. You have a good knowledge of North Indian culture, huh?
My basic and primary education happened to be in Delhi. My parents stayed there for 6 years.
This is why we say unity in diversity, which makes India proud.
But this unity will be strengthened when you will visit Karnataka.
Karnataka? No, Baba. No knowledge of Kannada only. It will be a very difficult task for us to communicate in Kannada.
Yes, Mummy. Papa is right. Don't worry. Technology is also there to help you.
But Bete, how can that be possible? Can you elaborate a little bit, please?
You might have heard the word artificial intelligence.
Beta, but you were talking about language, right?
Mummy, Satishan is working in a new field known as Natural Language Processing, NLP.
Okay.
It is a technology used to aid computers to understand the human natural language.
But it is not an easy task teaching a machine to understand how humans communicate.
Yeah.
That is right. But NLP technology will make it possible.
Mama, you might have explored some features of your smartphone.
I try, but I get confused most of the times, like how to operate them. I just can't do it.
Siri is one of them. When we give command to Siri or ask some questions to Alexa or Google Home, there is immediate response in voice form or in text format.
Oh, interesting.
Yes, Mama. Today there is a wide array of applications where NLP is playing its role.
Dear Satishan, we have a very little knowledge of this technology. Can you elaborate a little bit more?
That will be my honor. Papa, while operating your emails, you might have experienced the email assistant, autocorrection, grammatical help, spelling check, filtration of spam mails, and so on.
And even auto completion of sentence, huh?
Wow, my papa is great.
Thank you.
In search engines, the things are predicted based on what we type. Here also, the NLP language is finishing the sentence or suggesting a suitable word.
Somewhere I read that e-commerce is also driven by AI.
Yes.
During COVID-19 problem, your mummy forgot to visit market. Do you remember?
Oh, yeah, I do.
She placed online orders and all essential items are delivered at her doorstep. That was really balle for both of us.
I now like online shopping.
Oh, thank you, Betty. Thanks very much. This natural language process will solve the language barrier while your mummy is going to visit Satishan's place. No?
Let's see. Can't say.
No doubt that mummy will feel local in Kannada community.
Papa, while searching online, we are adding to the pool of customer data.
Excellent.
This helps to learn the habits and preferences of the users.
Okay, here is this sign of all apps in my smartphone. Simply start it while communicating. See here?
Yeah.
The conversation has been converted into a text. See here?
Wow, wonderful. A complete text for our spoken words.
Well, it can also prove very helpful in crime as well.
Oh, that's right.
Yes, it can help to identify the motive of crimes.
I'm sure that, Mama, you will enjoy the company of Satishan's family. Papa, our flight is at 3 o'clock and we hardly have a few hours left to go.
We have already packed our luggage and it will be better to reach at the airport well before time.
God bless you.
Bye, Mama. Bye, Papa.
Beta.
Bye,
Loads of
beta.
love.
Bye,
Bye.
beta.
Good morning, Mummy. You called me?
Good morning, dear Anushka. Are you fine, beta? It's a new home among new people.
Oh, Mama, I'm fine. This is a beautiful place, full of greenery and natural beauty. In Mumbai, it is very difficult to have such an ambience.
The village surrounding is even more beautiful.
Really? Wow.
Our panchayat is very progressive and the sarpanch is young and dynamic.
Yes.
He is tech savvy and frequently consults me how the panchayat can be benefited from the digital technology.
Anushka, beta,
Yes, Mama.
when are your parents planning to visit this place? You see, I shall be happy to meet your mummy.
Mummy, I contacted them yesterday. Anushka's mom is reaching tomorrow in the evening.
What do you mean by Anushka's mom? Huh? Anushka, beta, your father is not coming?
Mama, due to COVID, it is very difficult for Papa to spare time from his schedule. So only Mama is coming to perform a certain post-marriage ceremonies common in Marathi families. Yes, Mama.
But does Mrs. Shivani, I mean to say, Anushka, your mother understands Kannada, na?
No, Mama. She doesn't know Kannada. Oh, Mama, don't worry. Satishan has a solution for that.
Solution? What solution?
Yes, Mama. Satishan might have told you about a voice assistant technology.
Yes. Now I remember. Last time he did tell me to arrange one set for us also. I'm sure it will make easy to contact you and your mama through video and audio calls at least.
Yes, Mama. Just give a command and it will automatically call us.
Wow!
You can ask it any question and it will reply immediately. It can also play music of your choice and even forecast the weather.
Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful.
Yes, mommy. Here is your surprise.
Oh, that's so nice, beta. You've got it for me.
I just installed it to assist you.
I know.
He is perfect to narrate stories or songs, even in Kannada language.
Great work, beta.
Mama, Satishan has added one more feature to translate from one language to the other. And he has given him a new name, Roomba.
Wow. This interpreter, he's going to translate everything for me from Kannada to Marathi and vice versa too. Magic, I say, it's pure magic.
Mummy, we both are planning to visit airport to receive Anushka's mother early in the morning.
That will be good. By the time you're back, I can prepare some local dishes also.
Satishan, today I am going to drive the car. Let me feel the driving on village roads.
But you don't know the route. And sometimes you may have to drive on narrow road.
Oh, come on, dear. A tech fellow is saying so. We have GPS to guide. I am going to put it on operation mode to assist us through NLP.
Intelligent girl, huh?
Yes. Do you have any doubt? IITN topper of her batch. The car steer is in very safe hands.
Perfect driving, हाँ? I mean, हिंदी फिल्मों में कहते हैं ना, तुम्हारे जैसा कोई नहीं.
Oh, let me take it straight to the parking lot now. In the meantime, Mama will also check out. See, Mama is calling. Oh, she might be waiting in the driveway. Hello, Mummy? Where are you? Okay. We are coming. Wait outside exit number 5.
हाँ बेटा, I'm waiting outside the gate. I'm fine and I've landed safely.
Look, mom is waiting there.
Oh, Mama. Hello, Mama. How are you?
My beta. Hi, Satishan beta. How are you?
Good morning, mom.
Good morning.
How are
good
you?
Morning. I'm good, beta.
Give me the luggage, please.
Oh, thanks, beta. Thanks.
I will put it into the car boot.
God bless you, beta. There was only 50% occupancy.
Oh, really, mom?
Yeah, and the air hostess was telling me that it is all due to corona restrictions as per guidelines issued by the ministry.
Oh, okay.
Mama, you will enjoy Satishan's native place a lot.
Is it?
Yes. What a beautiful rural ambience, Mama. Even Satishan's mother is very eager to meet you.
Yes, mommy.
Both of you have to communicate in symbolic language.
Symbolic language? What do you mean, beta? Oh, earlier you told me that you have a solution for language barrier, didn't you?
Mama, Satishan has installed one international translator come interpreter that will solve all your problems.
Who is it?
Yes. Moreover, I'm going to install one more app in your mobile phone.
Acha.
Yes. If you find any trouble, you can use that application to translate from Kannada to Marathi or vice versa.
Okay.
My mom is going digital very soon. Now no barrier and no digital divide.
Yeah.
Mama, this is a tradition to welcome guests with Shankh Dhwani.
Okay.
Yes.
Beautiful traditions, I must say, huh?
Yes, Mama. People consider it poise and wish that God blesses the guest with all the happiness.
So good, beta, so good. Great traditions. Wow.
Mama, see that in the phone?
Huh?
This is Roomba.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
He will assist you to interact with my mother-in-law. Roomba is very intelligent and it can reply to all your questions.
But beta, I was told that a voice assistant can only answer in English.
You are right, Mama. But Satishan's IT company has designed a device that can translate and communicate in all Indian regional languages.
Who is it?
Yes, and very soon it will be open in the market.
Lovely.
Yes, mommy. It works on the principle of natural language processing. Lots of quality data are pooled and through machine interface. These data are analyzed to arrive on desired results.
Satishan beta, don't worry about our vocal delivery. It will be very good, I'm sure. Provided your system understands and supports it, huh?
Mummy, you don't worry. We have our magical stick that is Jadoo ka Chirag. Our Roomba will solve all the problem. Roomba can act as an interpreter between both of you.
Yes.
He can translate from Marathi to Kannada and from Kannada to Marathi.
Yes. See there? He is Roomba to solve all the language problems.
Anushka, please can you give command to Roomba?
Oh yes. Hath Kangan ko aarsi kya? Hello, Mr. Roomba. How are you?
I am fine. Thank you. Welcome, everyone.
A sweet but typical voice. A voice that I heard in Hrithik Roshan movie. It was Koi Mil Gaya, right?
Ma'am, I am Roomba, your host, and I welcome you here. Ha, ha, ha.
Sister, this is a voice machine of ours. It is bought by my daughter-in-law, Anushka, huh?
I am not a machine. My name is Roomba. I understand and can speak all Indian languages. I can talk like you, but I cannot feel what you can.
Thank you, Mr. Roomba.
You are most welcome, madam. If there is any language problem, do tell me. I will solve it and you will enjoy my translations.
Wow, technology is advancing so fast, so difficult to imagine. Satishan, is it designed by your company?
Yes, mommy.
Mama, once I told you that Satishan is working on a project to design and develop a humanoid robot?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sister.
Acha beta Satishan, is it a part of the natural language processing that you told us in Mumbai?
Yes, mommy. It is working on that very principle.
Mama, its script is Python, which provides an intuitive framework along with substantial building blocks, consistent interfaces, and data structures.
Oh, Baba, very difficult to understand.
Yes.
Hello, Roomba.
Any help, madam?
Yes, Roomba. My question is for you. Can you explain the meaning of Bhool Bhulaiya?
I cannot reply right now. I am trying to find the right answer.
Anushka, for such perplex and complex questions, we have to adjust it on his new mode. Okay, let me do it.
New mode activated.
Artificial intelligence is a new cutting edge technology, and in near future it will revolutionize the world.
Yes, what Satishan is saying is true. My technology will revolutionize the way of human thinking as well as working.
We can imagine, but it is beyond my capacity to think and act. You know, it's a simple game for you both, but really a magic for me and Mrs. Shamli.
True.
Natural language processing is able to analyze, understand, and generate human speech.
Satishan bete, if I'm not wrong, natural means a natural language that is native to the people, right?
Exactly, mummy. Kannada, Marathi, Telugu, Punjabi, Hindi are examples of natural language. Similarly, computers have their own artificial languages like SQL, Java, C, C++.
I'll explain. Through NLP, a computer is able to listen, understand the meaning, and finally respond to it by generating natural language.
The mechanism involves several complex steps. It has made easier to develop computers with NLP abilities.
That's nice.
Yes, NLP is important for different reasons to different people.
True, for researchers, NLP is a laboratory. But question arises, who cares?
Yes, other search engines are doing it.
Yeah, I mean, if I ask virtual assistant a question, instantly there will be a bombardment of information altogether, huh?
Yes, Mom. According to a report, in 2008, the web had 1 trillion papers. Today, it estimates that the web has 30 trillion pages.
But with NLP, it is possible to perform certain tasks like automated speech and automated text writing.
Yes, our Roomba also works and involves NLP applications.
Are you talking to me, madam?
It is fine, Roomba.
He's very sensitive to all the queries, just like a search engine, huh?
Yeah, I just can't imagine about this new technology at all, Baba.
When we type on mobile, we will see word suggestions based on what we type. It is natural language processing in action.
Wow, it is so simple to understand NLP, huh? The technical funda is now clear.
Yes.
Text and unstructured data comprises 70 to 80% of the data that are available on computer networks. Natural language processing can be applied to characterize, interpret, or understand the information content.
This means the future will be more diverse than what we expect.
Yes, mummy, you're right.
A new field of marketing, huh?
Yes. Market is expected to push around $60 billion by 2025.
Wow. Needless to say, but we should keep our eyes open on natural language processing. Am I right, madam?
That is true, very true.
Satishan, it will be good if you can elaborate on some common applications of NLP.
Through the use of NLP, search engine determines which emails are good and which are spam.
I can even analyze stock market data.
Oh my god, stock market analysis. Oh, Baba.
Roomba, are you listening to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what will be the weather of Delhi today?
Oh, you want to know the weather? All right. It will be partially cloudy. The day's highest temperature will be around 43 degrees Celsius and the lowest will be 18 degrees.
Great magic, I must say.
Type a question in search engine or ask for directions. You will see this form of natural language processing in action.
But beta, how does a search engine work? You see, it is no less than any magic in front of me.
The search engine also generates natural language in return to give us the answers.
Mama, it is a very vast subject and may take days to explain and understand.
Yes, mummy. The most basic and well-known application of NLP is spell checking.
Wow.
You can also take text analysis. Email filters are another important application of NLP, Mama.
Right.
Call centers representatives engage with customers through this technology only.
And Mama, NLP also applies to machine translation technologies.
Wonderful, beta. And what about our Roomba?
Mama, Roomba also use the same technology with voice recognition via virtual assistants like Alexa, Google Home, Siri, and Cortana respond to vocal language.
Oh, children, can't you create this magic? Help humanity to fight the corona?
Yeah, true.
Question of the century.
Yes, mom, researchers are working on it. Recently, they have developed a new app that uses artificial intelligence technology.
Wow. Hope our scientists and researchers succeed in their project.
Now we understand why you kids are getting such good salaries. It is all the magic of artificial intelligence and the role of natural language processing.
Welcome tomorrow. You are listening to the 9th episode of the science serial produced by All India Radio in collaboration with Vigyan Prasar, entitled Natural Language Processing. Script Dr. R.S. Yadav, concept and coordination Dr. Nakul Parashar and Dr. Birendra Kumar Tyagi. This episode was produced by Pankaj Pati Pathak. Assistance in production, Puneet Kumar. The participants were Mamta Malkania, Vasundhara Bose, Jaideep Singh, Ravi Bharadwaj, Vaibhav Srivastav and Divya. Do stay tuned. Here are 2 questions for you. The lucky listeners will get attractive prize from Vigyan Prasar. The first question is, what is NLP and what are its uses? What is NLP and what are its uses? And the second question is, name 2 products based on NLP technology that are being used nowadays. Name 2 products based on NLP technology that are being used nowadays. You can send in your answers by simple post to this address. Science Serial, Welcome Tomorrow, Vigyan Prasar, A50, Institutional Area, Sector 62, Noida, 201309. You can also write to us on our email ID, radio@vigyanprasar.gov.in. Do write your full name and address along with the answer. And yes, if you send us any question which gets included in our program, you will get a prize from Vigyan Prasar for that too. So do not hesitate to write to us even if it's a simple query. We'll be back again with our next episode of the Science Serial. Welcome tomorrow, same day, same time next week. Till then, goodbye. This broadcast came to you from All India Radio, Delhi.